Hi, I'm John. Welcome to Sigma Connectivity. Today I'm at our mechanical labs with my colleague Anders. Hi.
Hi.
So tell me, Anders, what do you guys do here at the mech lab at Sigma Connectivity?
Well, we run tests to make sure that the products can survive in the real world.
How do you test for something like that?
We run a lot of mechanical tests and climate tests, and also we run durability tests.
So what could a mechanical test look like, for example? What do you do?
We do drop tests, both controlled drop tests and random drop tests, depending on requirement. Also, we run a lot of impact tests and static pressure tests. And also, we have a lot of vibration testing going on.
Really interesting. And also, you talked about climate?
Yes, of course, we have climate all around us, so we try to simulate the climates that the devices can be exposed to.
So how do you simulate a climate? Do you go outdoors with this stuff? Or?
No. We have 9 different chambers, and we can control the temperature from minus 80 degrees up to 180 degrees.
Oh, that's
and also we control the humidity.
That's a huge range. Why is this important?
Well, a device that is constructed of different materials will behave differently in a high temperature or in a cold environment.
Oh, like it contracts and expands?
Yeah, of course, exactly. And that we also test in a thermal shock chamber that is a 2-chamber equipment, actually. So we switch between hot and cold very fast.
This looks like durability testing.
Yes, this is one of the machines that we run durability tests with. And we run those tests on keys and other moving parts like connectors and hinges and so.
Really cool. So this is, so to say, where you push it to its limits?
Yes, we do.
So you simulate 10 years of use in a short time, or is that the use case here?
Yeah, we simulate, depending on the product's lifetime, we simulate so it can withstand more than normal usage.
Really cool. And do you build these rigs yourself in-house, or is this something you can buy off the shelf?
Normally we have to build or adapt equipment like this one.
So Anders, what do you guys do here?
Here we test for ingress.
What is that?
It is a penetration of water or dust or other stuff.
Oh, like IP classification?
Yes, exactly.
So I see, I assume this is a rain simulator?
Yeah, you could say it is a rain simulator. It is water coming from upwards towards the device.
Cool. And behind you I see a pillar of water.
Yeah, IPX7. So 1 meter of depth.
Okay, so it should survive 1 meter. For how long?
The standard says 30 minutes.
Cool. And then you have a really big bulky thing here behind you.
Yeah.
What do you do here?
This is a test equipment for corrosion.
Okay.
So it's a salt spray chamber.
Salt mist? That is really rough on electronics, right?
Yeah, it is.
So Anders, how does this tests affect real-world products?
We make them safe, and we make them robust, and we make them ready for the market.
So as a client, could I come to you both with specific tests I need to do, or for just help and consultation?
Yeah. We can do both. We do tests just according to a standard for some customers, and then we have customers that come and say, "Oh, we need to test this. What should we do?" And we put together a customized test specification for them.
That sounds like a really helpful service.
Yep.
Thank you so much for your time. This has been super interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you like this video. And if you want, you can reach out to us at Sigma Connectivity and come for a lab tour yourself.